What up, guys? So check it out. I just wanted to mention this real quick. So right here, I have a little setup of a post that I just put on Instagram. And what I'm trying to point out here is that I like to share about the foods that I like to eat. And then I like to study about the foods that I like to eat. There's a zucchini. I have a bunch of this stuff, dude, but there's strawberries. There's vitamin C. I have notebooks full of this kind of stuff. There's arginine. That's like a nutrient. ATP, that's energy that our mitochondria make. Quercetin, that's like a flavonoid. Anyways, point being, there's grapes. And then I have it on a book called The Complete Human Body. And then, for example, I got over here my notebook. Turn to a page, and this one is about enzymes and the digestive system, etc. There's more, and I've shown videos of these on previous YouTube videos. My point is, and then that flashcard I have right there, it says, I saw that he had made up his mind to stand by until he succeeded. Okay, so through books that encourage or that show me a better mentality, and then trying to learn how to change my diet, I found that combining several things helped me keep my interest and help me keep my drive, my motivation, my persistence, even when things got, difficult, or when I would get off track. I found that combining several things like exercise, I also exercise fairly regularly. All these things combined made it a lot easier for me to continue to pursue and grow these kinds of interests. So I share about the foods I eat, and I research them, and I share what I research. And then I like to eat different foods and find out how they make me feel, and etc., and so on and so forth. I read books that remind me what a good mentality it is. I read books that remind me of what successful habits are, etc. So I combine things, but they're all related. Like I eat the food, I research it, I share about it, etc. And then I research what the food does, or I study about what the food does to our body, etc. And then I exercise, and now I know what's going on when I eat this food. I know what my body's using that food for, and I know why it's important when I exercise to eat what kinds of foods I need to eat, etc. So all these things combined, and then I read books on a healthy, successful mentality, and how not to quit. And when you find yourself with temporary failure, or when you find yourself wanting to quit, etc. There's so many good guidance. There's so much good guidance, so many good suggestions, etc., that these books have. So I combine all these things, and one thing supports another, one thing encourages another. The exercise encourages me to eat healthy. The healthy food encourages me to research what that food is doing to my body, or what nutrients they provide. Then I want to know what those nutrients do for my body. So everything connects. Then I share about it because that's exciting. And then I can be on social media a little bit more productively. I also enjoy being on it just for fun, but mostly I try to make it also productive, etc. So I combine all these things, and that's just what I wanted to share. That's one way I've learned to strengthen change and behaviors. All right, so I'll talk to y'all later. Peace out.